won millions of hearts with her portrayal of Gunjan on Veera. With show soon going off air, we brought to you an exclusive journey interview. Check this out.
I started with not thinking too much over it, but just working hard, and the results have come good, and we try to do our best, and the show did really well, and I felt amazing to play the Gunjan's character, and it's really close to my heart now. Everyone is wonderful, and they are. I like professional people who are good with their work, and who know the importance of their work. So I go good with them. There are few exceptions. Let's not talk about it. Yeah, definitely. The production is itself really good. For me, this is my first experience, but there are very senior actors in our show who really appreciate Beyond Dreams, because they have worked with other production also, but our production is really cooperative in many things, and they really do artist adjustment well, and they understand if we have other priorities. So it's really good, and the kind of treatment we get, the kind of respect we get, it's really good. I really appreciate it, and I'd love to work with them. I'd like to do something new, something different, where this should be something challenging and not ordinary. And I was really happy to play a Punjabi girl, being a non-Punjabi in Veera. So something which I'm not, I'd like to play something like that. I honestly don't want to play a sass babu, but something. I love comedy, rom-com kind of a character, or something autism kind of a character, or a doctor, or a police, or something very different. I'd really like to play something like that. And no, it's not just about profession. It's about the profession with character. What character do you carry in that profession? So there should be something crisp and something new. The character shouldn't stop, and there shouldn't be an end to it. It should just show its layers and layers and layers every day to keep audience entertaining. I don't know. Yeah, y'all must be getting a lot of negative news, or maybe positive news about the show, about the people around us. But it's a part and parcel, I would say, and every new good thing starts with with a hard work. I think कुछ भी नई शुरू चीज़ होने से पहले मुश्किलें आती हैं. That's what I mean to say. So it was part and parcel of a show, and everyone was good in our show. You have to work hard to gain big in life. So I think patience and tolerance is the key to success. So always stay positive, keep patience, and try to tolerate till you can, and you'll find success in your life. And because God is there, who sees everything, and He will be always there. Just stay positive and speak good, keep smiling. And it was a wonderful journey throughout. I never imagined myself that I'll be loved so much, and that makes me feel content, and I don't think that I need anything beyond this. Just your love and appreciation makes complete Farnaz, or makes a complete Gunjan, and many other characters which I'll be playing. So it's all your support and love, because of that which I'm here talking to you. Thank you, and I love you all, and thanks for making Farnaz Shetty.
Farnaz, we wish you good luck for all your future endeavors. Upasna Patel, cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Farnaz Shetty. You're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to What's Up TV.